Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice here in Stellaris, where evidently our inability to keep some horrific monsters from destroying our colonies is causing people to hate us, and I can't figure out how to fix it. Real quick, let's add this to Zara. Hey Zara, I have another system. Yep. Yeah, have this system too, actually. Yeah, that... Oh, you too. There you go. Okay. Yeah, so I can't find in the console commands how to fix the fact that evidently I purged a bunch of folks. That's okay. That'll fix itself by +2 yearly. And you know what? The people who love us already love us, and the people who hate us, and it's only a 5... I think it's only a 5 happiness penalty. Yeah, which isn't that bad. In fact, our homeworld is still perfectly happy with us, 99.5%. So you know, stuff. Okay, so I didn't really have that much in the way of minerals to get rid of off camera, so we're just gonna let things go on as they go. What is this? Too many planets. Oh, I know what happened. There we go. Hey, Florida, come here. Florida, managed sector. Have some new planets. There we go. Good, Florida. So we finished. Pulling these guys into our system. Oh, and somebody is migrating. Good stuff. Where's Agrathi? Oh wow, there's several Magrathis actually. Could be that one. Could be that one. Could be that one. Either way, I think they're all in the Byzantine Republic. Interesting. Oh, I bet you it's a custom name thing that came with whatever thing I gave to these guys. I think that's what it is. So, there you go. They're leaving to go to the Byzantine Empire. Mostly I just want to make sure that this entire species isn't, like, stuck here. You know, and this is the only thing they have. Construction ship, you need to go home. By going home, I mean you need to go away. Agree. Science ship, you should go away as well. These came from our new fleet, or from our new, what are they called? They're a vassal. They came from our vassal, and honestly, we don't really need this, so let's disband that. Okay. Okay. Fourth fleet is sitting here doing nothing, just in case the bad monsters come back. Oh, our science ship is gonna see what they can find here at this debris. I'm really curious to see if they had any tech there that we don't have, considering they're, you know, giant, horrific mutant creatures. Yeah, I don't know why our name looks funny now. It used to cover this whole area, and now it doesn't. We have to take out Castile. We just have to eat them. It's one of those things that's gonna have to happen. The problem is the Aztecs, Castile, all these other folks. Okay, we got 5 research points. That's not doing us any good. You come on down to... Oh, where were you? Probably Murano. Wish I could tell easily what the best science planet in my entire place is. My entire empire, but I can't. Cannot easily do so. I'd have to actually look at every single one. Spaceport of Santa Erasmo. That's not what I wanted. What'd you do? Give me cruiser assembly yards. Yeah. We'll build cruisers there yet. Uh-huh. What's the other thing I'm doing, though? Eskel, when are you done? 187 days. Oh, gosh. So we're just going to sit here and watch this. $167. This is so bad.
Construction complete.
What was that? Spaceports. Oh, that's right. All the upgrades and stuff that I insisted on them doing. Okay, construction ships. What's the next election? 12/6. Oh, it's fairly soon. About a year. Actually, about a year and a half.
Research complete.
What do we got? Army upkeep. Minus 10%. Cool. Finally! Finally! Okay, here we go. I love what this one's called, though. Secrets of Life. Nice. Arid world colonization. That is actually going to help out a little bit. One of the things we want to do is we want to colonize this world down here so that we can get rid of this frontier outpost. That will be nice. And it'll only take, 26 months. Wow, okay. Didn't realize. Did not realize. So we still have 20 months left on impulse thrusters. 10 months left on 0-point power. That's going to change a few things. Change a few of our designs, for sure. Oh, 80 days. 75. We can do this. Come on, colony ship. Do your job! Yep. Ruining buildings. It's all these Aztec repatriarchs ever do. No, literally, it's actually all they ever do. Ooh, actually, the Aztec repatriarchs have 30% support. We may have to buy that down. No, we won't. We'll wait till it gets up to like 50. Yeah, you see this fleet? We have a giant fleet and a bunch of soldiers in orbit. We're just ready to pounce on this business. And 2, 1, 0. Del Carpine. Come over here. Colonize... No, sorry. Colonize planet. Go there. Like I told you the first time. What was that? Hang on. Da Vinci. Complete construction of a mining station over to Tulloch Wrong. Where's that? Interesting. Not usually how these are named. It usually would be... This is what, Hiram? It's usually named like Hiram 5. Why is this not named Hiram 5? Interesting. Don't know what to think about that. I just don't know.
Construction complete. Construction complete. Construction complete.
Let's group up our fleets here. In Venezia. Hang on. Fleets. Exclude that. Group up. Yeah, it's only 1.6k. Man, not enough. Not enough cruisers. Too many corvettes, right? Right. Oh, we should start. Yeah, we should start building some more cruisers. Actually. Zara, what do you got going on? Give me cruiser assembly yards. Done. Good, Zara. Now, Castan, what are you doing? Cruiser factory. Spaceport. Build. Let's do, I want to do disruptor cruisers? Yeah, let's do a couple of those just to throw in. Okay. Where else can I build cruisers? That's always the question. Cruiser assembly yards there. Now the unfortunate part is, I don't get the discount on that until this actually completes. You think that I would get the discount as soon as I queued this up and then queued up the cruisers after it, that it would actually cost less money, but no, it's not how it works. Nope, nope, nope. Hey Murano, are you busy? Probably not. Here we go. What kind of cruisers do we want here? Let's go lightning guns. Let's get a bunch of lightning guns going. Yeah. Oh, 2 months remaining. Then we can redesign our lightning ships. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Alright.
Construction complete. Construction complete.
Santarasmo. Hey, sweet. Why don't you build a couple of lightning guns as well? There we go. Level 3 spaceport. Oh yeah. Being low on minerals is kind of nice. Having the income is good, but being low on minerals is pretty cool.
Research complete.
Because it means you're doing what you need to do, right? Okay, 0 point power. Perfect. Perfect. Now the question is, what do we want to do next? We could do hyper shields, but that will take a long time. Or so will everything else. Advanced combat rules? I say we do that. It's just going to be a quick upgrade. It's only going to take 29 months, which is under 3 years, which we will actually be able to declare war at that point. So yeah, it'll be an improvement. It will be an improvement, and that'll be nice. Okay, inactive buildings. What do you got? People are leaving. People are leaving. No. It's like they're unhappy because we're purging populations that we're not actually purging. That'll fix itself. It'll be fine. Mineral Silo 3? I don't think we need that at this point. Although we might as well. What else are we going to do, right? Mineral Silo 3. Okay. You too. How's food going on this place? 5. We don't need it. Although, actually, hang on. We could actually replace this. Not quite. Not quite. We're not going to upgrade this. Once we can upgrade the others, we will. And I'm upgrading them because they are next to this spot, this place, so it's more valuable. So we are not going to upgrade this, and then once we can upgrade these, we'll replace this. That's the plan. That is the plan. Oh, right. Actually, replacing this would be bad because we are currently at 5 extra food. And we actually want to have 2 additional pops on here. So yeah, that would be bad. Don't do that. Don't do that. How is this, where's my ship? Where's my colony ship? Oh, really, where's my colony ship? Oh, it's right there. Okay. It's in system. I wish there were a way to just select this one, but there isn't. Why is there no way to just select this one? Well, I guess we watch this happen. Let's watch the colony begin. If we have to, we'll just invade the crap out of it. If it turns out these guys are gonna rear their ugly heads again. Let's do this. Let's do this. Land. Land. Land.
Construction complete.
Was that an autosave? Autosave? Yeah, there we go. Alright. Okay. So... Oh, I didn't realize the process cost 8 energy each month. I didn't realize it was going to cost extra. But that's okay. We now have resettled this planet. It's our planet. Gosh darn it. And we don't need to deal with any horrifying creatures. Right? Right. Well, on that note, I think I'm going to call it there. Let's upgrade this. Space support upgrade. There we go. And yeah, I'm going to go eat lunch, actually. And in the next episode, I don't know what's going to happen, but probably something really weird is going to happen on our, you know, something weird always happens in this game, right? That's how it works. But in future episodes, we will build up our military. We will see. Yep, their fleet power is still superior. Their fleet power is still superior. That's going to happen for a while until we build some more cruisers. That's kind of how it is. But yeah, until then, I enjoyed myself. Hope you enjoyed yourself as well. I do, in fact, look forward to seeing you next time. So 6 battleships, 17 cruisers, 58 and 77. Not bad. Need more battleships. Yes.